Hey everyone, welcome back. Guys, in this video, you will learn to add your business leads into your online community automatically. So guys, online communities are a great way to engage your leads and nurture your leads to convert them into your customers. So guys, this automation is designed and created to fast pace your lead capturing and pushing your leads into your sales funnel quickly and automatically so that you can save your time and focus on lead nurturing. So let me show you how this is going to work. So guys, this will be the flow of this automation. Here we are using Kartra application, which is a marketing application by which you can create sales funnels. You can create landing pages, sign up forms, etc. And here we have created a form, an opt-in form for our leads so that they can fill the form to get opt in for our online community memberships. Okay, so as and when they are going to fill the form, we want to add them into UUKI or Yuki community, which is a online community building platform for content creators basically. Okay, so here as and when we are going to capture the lead from Kartra, this automation is going to add those leads as a member in your online community automatically so that you can save your time and focus on lead nurturing. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation very easily without any coding skills or programming knowledge. So guys, let's set up this automation together. So to begin with, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and to reach here you have to use this link, which is pabbly.com/connect, and we have pasted this link in the description. From here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. So sign up right now and log in to reach here on the dashboard. Okay, and here you need to create a workflow of automation. To do that, just click here on this create workflow button and you can now give a suitable name to your workflow. So I'm giving the name here as add Kartra leads into UUKI. Okay, so now giving the name, after giving the name like this, you can click on create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page you will see the trigger and the action. So automations work on trigger and action. Trigger is happening of that event which triggers the workflow or starts the workflow, and the action is the response towards the trigger. So as in this use case, the trigger would be submission of a form that you are going to receive from Kartra application, and the action towards the trigger would be to add the person who have filled the form into Yuki platform. Okay, so first of all you need to set up the trigger. So from this choose app field you have to choose your trigger application first. So our trigger application is Kartra, this one, select it, and after that you have to select the trigger event as leads fill an opt-in form. Okay, so you will find the option here, this one, lead fills an opt-in form. Okay, so it will trigger the workflow when a lead fills an opt-in form. Okay, select this, and here you can see we got this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, guys, and with the help of this URL we are going to make the connection with Kartra application, and we are going to bring the data out from the form submission here by capturing the response of this webhook connection. Okay, so you can follow these instructions written here to make this connection. Let us follow the instructions. So you need to navigate to my integrations section of Kartra. Let me show you. This is my Kartra applications dashboard. Okay, here I have created a page. You can see this is a page I have created, a landing page, and in this page I have attached a form, an opt-in form, which I have created here. And from this left hand side panel only you can see I have this my integrations option. Click on my integrations. All right, and here you will find this API button, API option. From here you have to click on this my API option. Click on my API. All right, and here in the outbound API section you have to make some changes. So click on change here. All right, then you have to check this, yes, activate outbound API. Check this, and here it is asking URL to send the API call to. This means you have to fill the URL on which you want to send the data. So we want to have the data here fetched by this webhook URL. So you just have to copy this webhook URL, guys, and you have to paste it here in this field. So let me just remove this previously pasted URL and just copy what you have just copied, just paste it here like this. And you have to remove this leading HTTPS address, because you have to select the HTTPS address from this drop down. So here we have two options, HTTP and HTTPS. Select HTTPS. Okay, and now you can remove this from here. Okay, this is how we can enter the webhook URL. And let's read the instruction what we need to do now. Okay, then select lead fills form from the event drop down list. Okay, so let's see if we have the events drop down list. Okay, now you have to define the events you want Kartra to notify about. Okay, so you have to select the event here from this list that we have. So guys, we want the data to be fetched inside our workflow when the lead fills the form and submits the form. Okay, so here you can see in the events we have this option, lead fills form. Select this, and here now it will ask to select the form. So we have created an opt-in form. The name of the form is this one, sign up form. Select your form, then click on add here. Okay, so you can see the event and the form got added here. Okay, let's read the instructions again. Okay, then click on add, yes, and at last save it. Okay, so let's save it now. So just click on save here, and our connection is saved. So we have done making the connection, and here you can see in our workflow, as I have copied this webhook URL, it started showing here waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now we have to perform a test submission. So the test submission would be equals to the trigger event that you have selected. This means now we have to fill an opt-in form that we have created. Okay, so you can fill any details that you want, and that details that you are going to fill are going will be our test submission. So that data will act as a test data for us, and with the help of that test data we are going to set up this automation further. So let me show you. So this is the page, a landing page I have created, and here I have created a opt-in form. You can customize this page according to your business and your thing. Okay, and here I'm just showing you the demo. So let me fill in the details of any demo person. So I'm filling the details as, let's say, John Cena is filling this form with this email ID, with this country code. Okay, so I'm selecting the country code as. So I have filled in all the details of a demo person who is filling this form, and I'm going to click on submit here, and you can see the form is getting submitted. Okay, now let's check in our workflow if we got the date of this form submission or not. So here you can see in the workflow we got the data captured like this, and here you can see it is showing the form's name. Here it is showing the lead ID, the first name of the lead, the last name, the email, the username details. Okay, so we got all the data that our lead has filled is here. So this is the test data. Now with the help of this we are going to move forward, and now what we want to add this person who have just filled the form to a community that we have created in UKey platform. Okay, so from this actions tab you have to select UKey application, which is UUKI. This is it. Select it, and here in the action event we are going to use this add user. So it will add a user to community. Select this, then click on connect. Alright, and from here you have to select add new connection option, and here it is asking for the API merchant ID and the API token to make the connection with UKey. Okay, so you'll get the above details under the community settings. Okay, so let me open my community. This is my test community I have created in UKey. Okay, here I have the settings icon. I'm going to click on settings, and under the settings you can see I have this merchant ID and the token. So just copy both of these things from here. First copy the merchant ID, paste it here like this, and then copy the API's key and paste it here in the token field. right? And then click on save and you will be connected with Yuki like this. And now it is asking for the name and the email of the person to whom you want to add in your community. Okay, so we are going to use this test data that we have received from the form submission of Kartra, and I am going to map the labels that I have received here, the first name label, last name label, and the email address label. So to map the data here, just click here on this name field and you will see this Kartra step in the drop down, which was our first step. And from here only, I'm going to map the name. So let me map the full name here. Okay. Then for the email, follow the same process and map the email. Okay. Right. And now when you click on save and send test request, a test member will be created here in your community. Okay. Let me show you my test community. And here I have this members section. Okay, so these are the current members we have in the community. Let's check our connection with Yuki. I'm going to click on save and send test request here. All right, and you can see the response is success. Let me show you now if we got a new person added in the community. So I'm refreshing this member section. And let's check. And we got John Cena here. Okay. So we got a new member added here in front of you just right now, and this is how it is going to work in real time. Okay, so we are done setting up this automation, guys, and let me give you a quick recap. You can see, first of all, I connected Kartra application in the trigger by which we have created an opt-in form. And after that, we follow the instructions and fetch the test data like this. After that, I connected Yuki in the action step and mapped the data like this. So guys, you have to map the data like this so that as and when in real time, if you receive any form submission, the data, the labels are going to change and you will see a new member added here every time when the workflow runs. Okay, so you have to set up this automation only once. After that, it will run automatically. And the best part is you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.